Friends, let's begin with our first operon, that is lac operon. In previous video we have seen two different types of operon, that is inducible operon and repressible. So lac operon is the example of inducible operon. If you have gone through the previous video, there we have discussed what do you mean by inducible operon. When inducer is present, operon is on. When inducer is absent, operon is off. Now, as lac operon is the first operon that was discovered by two scientists, Jacob and Monod, in the year 1961 at Institute of Pasteur in Paris. And for this Nobel idea, these two scientists awarded a Nobel Prize in the year 1965. Now, as far as our MSc part is concerned, first we will begin with the answer of lac operon with little bit basics that we have already studied in BSc, but some advanced part is also there which you have to incorporate in our MSc notes. Now, as you all know, lac operon or any of the operon consists of few basic things, and those genes are nothing but which we have already discussed, that is regulator gene, promoter gene, operator and structural genes. After these four, some more elements are there like repressor protein, co-repressor and inducer. So these are also the common terminologies which we are going to study under the heading lac operon. Now, what are the repressor proteins, what are co-repressors and what are inducers? They varies from operon to operon. Now, to start with the detail of lac operon, first we will discuss these four genes which are present in lac operon, and for regulation of lac operon, these bottom three elements are important. That means structure के लिए या तो लैक ओपेरॉन में क्या क्या चीज़ें प्रेजेंट होती है उसके लिए ये पहले चार जीन्स अपन डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, और लैक ओपेरॉन को रेगुलेट कैसे किया जाता है उसके लिए अपन ये नीचे के तीन चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे. फाइन. In short, repressor protein, as the name suggests, it is a repressor which repress or suppress the synthesis of any protein. Co-repressor जो repressor के साथ में present रहेगा, and inducer is the element or a chemical which induces the process of transcription. Now in our case, lac operon, inducer is a lactose. Some other advanced part which we will study, which is not the part of our BSc, जो अपन थोड़ी देर के बाद में देखते हैं.